description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from Nissin Foods, Germany, and this is their cup noodles shrimps soy sauce. So I'm guessing it's kind of like a shrimpy shoyu kind of deal thing. And I'm coming to you, it's only 9:30 a.m. And usually I'm out walking and doing stuff at this time, but I thought today I would go ahead and pause that until later. It's freaking cold outside, to be honest, and I don't know, I'll just walk around later and get all my stuff done in the morning, which it's a good morning. I've mentioned before there's that Buy Nothing group, and I think on one of the last episodes I mentioned somebody had put like a nice computer on there. That random number generator, I tell you, it really likes me because I want it. So I get to go, we're gonna go pick it up tonight. It's older. It's an iMac with an i5 3.2 gigahertz processor. It's a 27-inch. It's a big screen, and it's got 64 gigs of RAM and a 512 gig SSD. So that's rad for one. For two, I figured out the issue with my computer. It was indexing, and it seems like by turning that off, the thing's running great. Just by turning off that indexing, it seems to be happy as a clam now. So we'll see. Maybe I always heard it just like crazy hitting my what do you call it? My external hard drive, because I've got I've got like an 8 terabyte external drive. So I think that's what was going on. So I'm happy. I'm glad it seems to be all happy now. And I got a neat new computer we're getting tonight. The only thing is it doesn't come with a keyboard and a mouse. I've got a keyboard, I've got a mouse extra, so that's not a big worry. The only thing is I don't have like a Mac keyboard, but I guess there's something called Boot Camp, and you can put Windows, as long as it's an Intel processor, you can put Windows on it. So project, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, I mean, with 64 gigs of RAM and a nice big SSD like that, I don't think there will be an issue. So yeah, I'm jazzed. It might be too old. It might not have that boot camp thing though. I don't know. But we'll see. I did have a Mac years ago, because I used to go get, when I was young and I lived at home, I had all these websites. And there was like, I lived in Anacortes, so it was a site that gave you free domains for a year. So I got analcortes.com, analcortes.org. And it was just pictures from around town, fools doing weird stuff. And I don't know where it came from, but I ended up having an Apple Performa 6320 CD. It was kind of like a lunchbox style PC. And I ran WebStar on it, and I hosted it because myself, we had static IPs for our, what do you call it? Our internet. Even with that, I used, what was it? I used DNS forwarding. I did a bunch of stuff, but it worked great. And I was hosting my own stuff, and I always had the log on the screen, and I would see when people were like going onto the site and stuff. It was pretty neat. It was cool. Anyways, cheers. Well, the noodle was as expected. the broth. There is corn. The vegetables hydrated well. Beep, 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 beep. That's my lady. Not bad. Not bad at all. I think I like their others much better. In fact, I don't think. I know I did. But there's nothing wrong with this one. It's not... Oh. I'm gonna go... Oh, it went way down there. I'm gonna use this because I want to get rid of some of these noodles so you can actually... Oh, yeah. So you can see some of the broth when I'm dressing it up. Here we go, removing noodle. Just pretend I ate half of it, right? But yeah, I gotta say, free computer, I'm pretty excited. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I think having it as a backup, I think what I'll probably do is try to set it all up to do what my current machine is doing, because regardless of it seeming to be happy now, I don't want a chance. It'd be nice to have a backup. I can't afford a new machine. I was already pondering the idea of doing a GoFundMe for one, because I'm like really in a financially horrible situation. What sucks too about doing that kind of ask is I know most other people are as well, so you know, I don't want to put anybody out. That noise in the background is the robot vacuum, and it's not bothering me at all. Because it's over there. And I have my super cool force field beam. Another thing that I got on that Buy Nothing. Oh yeah, that's when I mentioned it. But yeah, dude, I don't know what the deal is. People giving away cool stuff. Alright, the next one you're gonna see is this. This came out of an Akama Noodles box. Go to miaumeowboxjapan.com. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is a Myojo Chukasoba, or Chukazanmai Mapo Tofu. This could be really good, so we're gonna check it out on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.